With this, we move to the next presentation by N. Siva Prasad, Pro Vice Chancellor, Geetham University. Can we have the presentation now on screen, please?
Good morning. Gandhi Institute of Technology and Management, Geetham, deemed to be university, located in 3 places. Its headquarters in Visakhapatnam, off campuses Hyderabad and Bangalore. I am Professor Siva Prasad, Pro Vice Chancellor. The Global Education Skill Conclave has given us an opportunity to present about the university activities. The vision of the university is to become a global leader in higher education. Our mission is to impart futuristic and comprehensive education of global standards with a high sense of discipline and social relevance in a serene and invigorating environment. Our quality policy to achieve global standards and excellence in teaching, research, and consultancy by creating an environment in which the faculty and students share a passion for creating, sharing, and applying knowledge to continuously improving the quality education. This can be achieved by the curricular, teaching, learning, and the testing aspects. Let us see the curricular aspects. The choice-based credit system is the one which the country is following. We are one among the first to introduce this CBCS system. Electives as per the student choice. Quite a good number of electives are there. There are program electives, interdisciplinary electives, and quite a good number of open electives. Wide learning opportunities, high-performance computational facilities with the centralized one, where the Hyderabad campus and the Bangalore campus can log into Vizag campus in any time. All the 3 campuses have skill development centers. In order to meet the requirements of the industry, the students will spend their time, and also we train them with the skills that are required by the industry. Personality development and the soft skills, a very important aspect. The industry says that soft skills are generally poor with the students passing out. To take care of it, we have the personality development and the soft skills training programs, special mini projects and the design practice. Design practice is the one which we have introduced for all engineering branches. That is, the practice the design to know the industrial practices. Maybe it is the software engineering, maybe it is compiler writing, maybe it is the bridge design. For mechanicals, it could be mechanical engineering design. And the foreign languages, we have introduced the French, Japanese, German, and the Mandarin, which is the Chinese language. Industry internships, quite a good number of people go for the internships. Environmental studies, professional ethics, and the human values is at the core of our heart. Teaching learning methods is an important aspect. Classroom teaching, we use the ICT enabled teaching. The G-Learn is the one which we are using software. And also we introduced the online course material, particularly the Coursera. We have purchased 20,000 licenses where each of our student will get a license to learn in addition to what he is learning in the classroom through the online platform like Coursera, NPTEL, MIT Open Courseware. These are all supplementing the classroom instruction. Activity-based learning. That is, activity-based learning is an important aspect today. Interactive methods, that is through assignments, tutorials, technical seminars, flipped classroom. Experimental method, laboratory learning, workshops, mini project, project work. Experimental experiential methods, that is, they'll experience themselves by doing the things in the internship, industrial training, field visits, and the design practice, and the project work. We offer quite a good number of programs. Our main program is the engineering, all the 3 campuses, management, international business is available at Vizag, science programs available in all the 3 campuses, pharmacy is available at Vizag and Hyderabad, architecture at Vizag and Hyderabad, medical college is available in Vizag, dental college and hospital, nursing, law, Gandhian studies, humanities and social sciences, public policy, Center for Distance Learning are the programs which we offer. The Geetham School of Gandhian Studies, the Geetham University was established on the Gandhian principles, the truth, that is the Satya, non-violence, ahimsa, welfare for all, that is the Sarvodaya, and the peaceful protest, Satyagraha. That is the value-based lectures are regularly arranged, and the Fulbright series lectures are also taken care of by this Gandhian Studies School. Geetham Institute of Medical Science and Research, which we call it as the GIMSR, located at Visakhapatnam. In 2013, the hospital was established with about 700 beds. And the medical college permission we got to 2015, the first batch has just passed out. After 5 years, they are in the internship. In a short span of 7 years and the 5 years of starting the MBBS course, GIMSR hospital was declared as the state COVID hospital category A in April 2020 and has given exemplary service during the COVID pandemic and was honored by the Navy. It has received A+ grade in the Arogyasri services, NABL accredited, ICMR approved BSL-2 facility for RT-PCR has been established in 2020. The recent addition is the Kautilya School of Public Policy, where many places it is not there in India. Its vision is rebalance the role of society, government and business towards an equitable and regenerative India and the world. The mission is empower leaders who solve our 21st century problems through rigorous public policy education, research and consultancy on contemporary public policy issues. We do take up the consultancy work. In all these courses, the student progression is an important aspect. So we admit the students as you see here, and immediately after that an induction program to familiarize the facilities and the opportunities available in this university. Then goes into teaching learning, that is a mentoring, menteeship is available for every student, one mentee, then and a mentor. Professional practice is an important aspect, and the evaluation is, we have the regular evaluation, continuous evaluation, and the career orientation, we have a GCGC, that is the GISM Center, serving the people who are interested in the job and also the people who will be interested in going abroad. We give in-house trainings. In addition to, we also have a MOU with the Northeastern University to train our students to think about the entrepreneurship. We call that one as the Venture Development Center. Every student joining in this university has to undergo a course to know the importance of the business mentality, and also that will be useful to them in their regular life. Placement, higher studies in entrepreneur, as I have mentioned earlier. Diversity of the students, our aim is to encourage the students in all kinds of activities. You can see on the right side, English language and communication lab, and special classes for computer literacy. Activities for inclusive academic ambience, bridge courses, communication skills, computer literacy, speaking clubs, and the programming clubs are available in all the 3 campuses. Students value education, as I indicated to you, the Gandhian principles is what we believe, the human values, professional ethics, Gandhian principles, and the personality development. This is the education above the curriculum, over and above the curriculum. Students' all-round development is what the Geetham University focuses. In all the 3 campuses, we have the Kalakriti, which encourages the arts, music, drama, etc. Yoga, Disha. Disha is, we train our students for the civil services or any other one. Disha is the direction. NSS, NCC are there in all the 3 campuses. Gogan is the software development competencies to improve. Rotaract Club in the Geetham University. Charayaveti, and that is Vivekananda principles, and Charayaveti is the philosophical studies, etc. will take place. Engineers Without Borders, a well-known organization. We have this Engineers Without Borders to go to the rural areas take up the jobs in the villages and improve upon them. Literary, cultural, and social activity clubs, public relations and media cells in order to encourage the students in communication. 18 professional societies, student chapters are available, namely the ISCTE, Computer Society of India, Instrumentation Society of India, etc. These are all 18 student societies are available on the campus. Number of students clubs are available. Aero Modeling Club at Hyderabad, Automotive Club both in Vizag and Hyderabad. Programming clubs are available in everywhere. Autodesk Design Club, particularly the Bangalore and Vizag. And we also have the Aeronautics Club, students showcasing model planes to develop the Vizag as a smart city. You can see on the right hand bottom. Like that, with the clubs, the students are encouraged. The sport cards developed by second year students, you can see here, we encourage the students to participate in this kind of activities right from the first year. Student achievements. BASA is the sports car development competition by SAE, and we can see that car, all that both the Hyderabad and Vizag campuses participate in that. This is a car participated in that from the Vizag campus. Best project, IoT, Internet of Things, by Honorable Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu Garu on 23/8/2016. First prize in UC Berkeley Open Innovation Challenge in 2016, the students' achievement. IGBC Best Student Chapter National Award in 2015. Lunabotics in 2012 by NASA. Harvard National Model United Nations Conference Boston in 2012. These are the some of the students' achievements. And the startups, I can see that conventionally of the mobility and the top arch footwear is the one which we have developed, our students have developed, and they have become entrepreneurs in developing these models. Founder Krishna Sai makes visually challenged walk just like healthy being does. That is what he has done. These are the sensors and you will be able to get. And Jignesh, he is another entrepreneur and loop filter indoor fitness training measurements. That is what he has developed. So he is the entrepreneur now in Hyderabad running a software company. Student startups, some more are there. A platform that connects waters with the clients, writers with the clients in need of top-notch content and supplies healthy products rich in fiber, vitamins and the materials. Krishna Sharma and remaining things are also shown there, different kinds of the products the students have developed and made their startup business. Students' innovation, as you could see, the solar powered car for agricultural purposes is what Mr. Bollam Rajasekhar and the team has done that. And Ashwin Rao, biotech, mobile hand cranked power generating device, hybrid mobile charger. These are some of the achievement of the students. The major thrust areas, medical, food, agricultural biotechnology, fire research, nanofluids, which is important today, data mining, again an important area, image processing, again is an important area, VLSI design, medicinal chemistry, drug design, solid state batteries, biophysics, biofluid dynamics by the Department of Mathematics because it involves a lot of computations. These are our major thrust areas, in addition to quite a number of areas of research in the conventional subjects. Research centers, to support this, we have the research centers, Center for Integrated Rural Development, Center for Urban and Sustainable Development, Fire Research Center, and as you could see in the photos, Center for Sustainable Development field activity you can see in this one. Center for Integrated Rural Development, as I indicated to you, people are going to the villages and see that how they can interact with the village woman. Central research laboratories, we have quite a good number of them. Center for Water Quality, Center for Advanced Materials and Processing, Center for Bioproduct and Process Development, Center for Chemical Analysis, Center for Material Research, Center for Medical Biotechnology, Center for Advanced Computation, Center for Chemical Analysis, Center for Industrial Biotechnology, Center for Plant Biotechnology. These centers are focusing on the research and sponsored as well as the industrially suggested projects. As we see that industrially, our major clients are VRDE, that is the Defense Organization, Vizag Steels, VPT, and CVRDE, that is again a defense one, HPCL, VUDA, Coromandel Fertilizers, APSHC, and GVMC, that is the GVMC is the municipal corporation. We get number of projects from these people to solve their regular problems. We have good academic linkages, industry, NI Systems, Ericsson, Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, the HPCL, BSNL, RINL, and EDIPEC, VRDE, CVRDE, and DST. The institutes, University of Windsor, University of Arlington, IIT Hyderabad, University of Udine, Italy, CITD Hyderabad, CPET Hyderabad, Tata Consultancy, the list goes on with the companies and others, NASCOM, UNICEF, CII, and the SEED. We have good relations and linkages. Our partner universities, the list is very long. I just mentioned a few to you. This will give you a lot of universities from the USA and Canada, UK, France, Australia, etc. And you can see partnership with the Kathmandu and Singapore Polytechnic, recent business school, South Africa, and Barcelona, Spain, IQS School of Management, St. Petersburg State Marine Technical University, that is from Russia. So industry institute interaction, quite a number of people are interacting with the industry experts on the BOS, quite a good number of people are there in our BOS, and industry sponsored laboratories. They have given us the laboratories, virtual instrumentation, analog, Autodesk design, IBM Center of Excellence. Industry collaborative programs, we have to meet the needs of the industry, MTech, data sciences, and the JITA, LAVE technologies, certificate courses in CAE and the CITD. So these are what you can see, and you can see that the BVR Mohan Reddy Garu is the chairman of one of the leading industries in Hyderabad city software. Dr. Rajanna Garu, Vice President of TCS, and Shinoy, Vice President of Robert Bosch. With all this, we have good relations. Best practices, in our best practices, professional practice, that is the skill development, as we see the important aspect, integral part of the curriculum, skill development, student chapters and student clubs. Recognition and academic freedom, open source initiative, and research culture is around the 3 campuses. Department level research forums, central research labs, multidisciplinary research, and participative governance is the one which brings in some of the decisions, even the students are involved. We have plans ahead. National Education Policy 2020, all of us know, that is enlightened society, socially conscious, knowledge, skills, vocational education, emphasis on the human values is in our plan to improve our curriculum in these directions as per the National Education Policy 2020. Thank you very much for patient learning. And also I would like to say that our university is recognized as the A+ category and also grade 1 university by the MHRD. That way we can start our own courses and we have this 12B status to take the research from the government agencies. Thank you for the patience listening. Thank you very much.
Professor N. Siva Prasad, Pro Vice Chancellor, Gidam University, for giving a detailed presentation on the overall work of Gidam University, the kind of innovation they're leveraging for their university, how the industry academic interactions are happening. Thank you so much,